Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on our ESP32 journey. In our previous video, we covered the basics of downloading and setting up the Smocode IDE for ESP32 development. Today, we're going to dive deeper and demonstrate how to blink the onboard LED of the ESP32 using Smocode. Open up Smocode IDE and create a new project for our blinking LED tutorial. Now, let's jump into writing the code. Now, let's use the drag-and-drop interface of Smocode to make the LED blink. Drag the necessary blocks to set up the pin mode and create a loop for toggling the LED on and off. It's as simple as dragging and dropping blocks to create our desired functionality. Once our block code is ready, it's time to upload it to the ESP32 board. Connect your ESP32 board to your computer via USB and select the correct port in Smocode IDE. Click on the Upload button and watch as the code gets transferred to the board. With the code successfully uploaded, let's watch our onboard LED blink. If everything went smoothly, you should see the LED blinking on and off at a regular interval. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to blink the onboard LED of the ESP32 using Smocode IDE's drag-and-drop interface. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials where we'll explore further projects with Smocode and ESP32. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.